What's up everybody, it's Tomifly. I just got to the airport and I'm gonna sleep here and then I'm flying to Lyon because we have an important battle today. That's my journey. Okay everybody, what's up? It's 4 in the morning. Everybody's sleeping, everybody. Going to France, relax, yeah. Try to save a lot of energy so I can explode on stage. Be possible. It's all about living the dream. It's all about traveling the world, representing the name, being there, enjoying the moment. It's gonna be Kid Skills, it's gonna be Pierre, it's gonna be Mowat, and it's gonna be me, Tomifly, from Slovenia to everywhere. I'm looking forward to see DJ Mingo and MC Assim, my dear friends from France, and it's gonna be dope. My first time in Lyon. I don't like to travel the same day as I have to battle. I'm gonna do it and you're gonna come with me. Now I'm just gonna meet the organizers. They're gonna take me somewhere, I don't know, maybe to eat. I hope some nice French food. Pam pam. C'est bon, c'est bon. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Pam, funciona? Sí, funciona. Everybody ready, everybody set. Nigga, ready? You are the old Shaolin. Yes. Big family, big international family today. So nice to be sharing this experience with worldwide friends. Pam pam. Mega sun in the face.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah, represent everybody. Represent. Represent.
Estaba esperando que llamara. Estaba esperando que viniera.
Let's go, my brother.
No. Yo, what's up, bro? Nice to see you, man.
Yeah, good to see you too, bro.
Hey, hermano, caiga.
Eres tú, loco.
Barcelona.
Barcelona. Perfect.
Bang. Billy! Yo, bro! Billy, hermano, how are you?
La coreo que cambió todo. Yeah. The best routine ever. Ahora, Pierre y yo.
5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. Pam. Amigo mojado. Thank you very much.
I need to say some words. Okay?
Yo, everybody, let's go!
Thanks. Okay, let's do the lineup.
Okay, Vino Tinto again. Fresh shit.
Yeah, sabía.
Believe in yourself. Nosotros nos ha tocado España contra
Okay, everybody, we are back to Venice.
Thanks a lot to be here. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.